Anna, and welcome to the Inspired Club's Fitness Library. And so before we get started on demonstrating the workouts, I just want to reiterate why we work out. So personally, I work out because it helps build my confidence. I work out because it helps release endorphins. So like if I'm having a bad day or feeling like about a depression, it keeps me up. It keeps my attitude going really strong. And it helps with my endurance. So as a wedding photographer, I have to have endurance to get through those 8 or 10 hour wedding days. If you want to hear more about my fitness journey, a little bit personal, check out the other video. And if you guys want to share anything, I definitely encourage you to, because just like Oprah said the other night at the Globes, the strongest gift we have is to speak our truths. So with that said, let's get started.